Conservationists may have saved an endangered breed of Crocs. And we're not talking about the shoes. Siamese crocodiles are some of the world's rarest reptiles, but 65 babies now being raised in Phnom Penh, Cambodia have conservationists optimistic for the future. They're part of 3 clutches of eggs recently hatched at a breeding ground run by Fauna and Flora International and the Cambodian Forestry Administration. And it's a big deal because there's only an estimated 250 mature Siamese crocodiles in the wild. Their numbers have dwindled due to rice farming, among other reasons, with the International Union for Conservation of Nature listing them as critically endangered. And in turn, the rarity has made their skins valuable to poachers. These babies will be raised in captivity for 3 years until they're let out into protected areas. And conservationists hope the wild population will double by 2020. Croc on!